Do you know what the healthiest morning drinks are? Kicking off your day with a nourishing beverage can make all the difference. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about fueling your body right from the get-go. In this video, we'll count down the 7 healthiest morning drinks that you can effortlessly whip up in your own kitchen. From boosting your energy to enhancing your immunity, these drinks are sure to revolutionize your mornings. Stay tuned to unearth the secrets of morning vitality. Starting at number 7, we have the calming herbal teas. Herbal teas come with a myriad of benefits, from aiding digestion to boosting your immune system, and even reducing inflammation. Popular types such as chamomile, peppermint, and rooibos each have their unique health properties. Chamomile soothes, peppermint refreshes, and rooibos is packed with antioxidants. So, if you're looking for a way to kickstart your day while also taking care of your body, consider making herbal tea part of your morning ritual. With a cup of herbal tea, you can start your day with a soothing warmth that also promotes your health. At number 6, we find the energizing green smoothie. Bursting with high fiber content, potent antioxidants, and essential vitamins, green smoothies have become a go-to morning beverage for health enthusiasts. Let's whip up a simple yet powerful combo. Think fresh spinach, ripe banana, and creamy almond milk. This blend not only tastes delicious, it also provides a healthful start to any day. So, if you're seeking a nutritious, easy-to-make breakfast option, look no further. A green smoothie is a fantastic way to pack in nutrition and kickstart your day. Coming in at number 5 is the refreshing lemon water. This citrus-infused drink is not only hydrating but also packed with health benefits that kickstart your day. Lemon water aids in weight loss by acting as a natural appetite suppressant. It's also a fantastic source of vitamin C, which is known to improve skin quality by reducing wrinkles and dryness. In fact, it's an all-around wellness elixir that's as simple to prepare as it is beneficial. With its simplicity and health benefits, lemon water is a great choice for your morning routine. We're approaching the top of our list with drinks 4 to 1. Let's begin with a warm cup of ginger tea. Known for its robust flavor, ginger tea is more than just a comforting drink. It's packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe your digestive system, relieve nausea, and even ward off colds and flu. So, when you need a health boost, reach for some ginger tea. Next, we have almond milk, sitting comfortably at number 3. This creamy, nutty beverage is a fantastic source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. For those who are lactose intolerant or simply seeking a dairy-free option, almond milk is a great choice. Its light, slightly sweet taste is sure to brighten your morning. Our runner-up is the mighty green tea. This drink is a powerhouse of antioxidants that can aid in reducing the risk of heart disease, improve brain function, and even assist in weight loss. Its subtle, refreshing taste is a perfect pick-me-up for early risers. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the most essential drink of all: water. It's vital for nearly all bodily functions, from regulating body temperature to flushing out toxins. While it may seem basic, starting your day with a glass of water can have profound effects on your health and well-being. These drinks not only hydrate but also provide essential nutrients to start your day right. To recap, the 7 healthiest morning drinks are herbal tea, a natural stress reliever, green smoothie for a nutrient-packed start, and lemon water for a detox boost, followed by our top 4, each offering their unique health benefits. Remember, a healthy morning drink can set the tone for a day of wellness. Choosing wisely will reward your body in ways you'll feel throughout the day. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.